Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much. I appreciate you being here today. My name is Chelsea. For those of you that are stopping by for the first time, I am Chelsea. Okay, you're welcome. Gorgeous, in here I review wigs, I do vlogs, and also I review wigs from different companies. Wigs, just anything. I review so many things. Anything reviewable, I review on this channel. So today I am revealing a wig from Likablewig hair. It's hair extension, clip-in extension. The hair came in this bag. I'm going to bring it out with you guys. I've not seen it. I ordered it, but since I received this hair, I've not opened it to really see what is inside. So let's discover what is inside the bag together. I received it by FedEx. Okay, the shipping was shipped by FedEx. So this is it. First, this is the hair. This is 22 inches. 2-pack. Okay. And some goodies came with it. Yeah, virgin hair, all the instructions about the wig, everything is here. Then 2 pair of wig cap, edge brush came with it, and a pair of lashes. So guys, now the interesting part is the hair. It's clipping hair, and you guys know I cut my hair. This is a challenge. If I tell you guys, I've been thinking of how I am going to fix this hair. I said, this is not a wig, it's a clip-in, and I have short hair. How am I going to do it? We'll do the magic together. Okay, I don't even know how I'm going to figure it out, but I know I am going to do it with my short hair. So I'm going to remove this wig for us to see. Okay, so this is the wig. The extension is 2-pack, it's straight, and it's 22 inches. Written on it, say 22 inches, and this is so straight. It's so straight. Let me bring out to see the texture, if it is soft, if it is hard. Let's see. Oh guys, ciao. Look at how silky. This is really silky. Ooh, this is silky. I love the hair. I love this. Let me bring comb brush to brush this. I think I have one brush here. Yes, look at it. Guys, I love this. I love this. So if you don't know clip-in hair extension, let me show you. It's very easy to apply. If you have natural hair, normally it's natural hair, your hair should be natural. If your hair is long and it's not full, the purpose of this, you just clip it in your hair to make your hair look fuller. Okay, it looks so natural. But if you still have short hair like me, I think we can do it. So that is what we're going to do right away. It's a challenge for me. I wanted not to buy it. I wanted to like refuse this offer, this collab. Okay, I said, but I cut my hair. How am I going to do it? I just said no, let me try it. By the way, this video is sponsored by Likablewig hair. Likablewig hair, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. We appreciate. I appreciate. Yeah. So you see this is what you're going to clip to your hair. Okay, this is how it came, and I like it because they already part it for you. See, in pieces, so you don't need to do that yourself. You just measure and you clip in your hair. Isn't that gorgeous? That is why I said it will be possible to do it on my short hair. See, I've done clip in hair extension before, but then my hair was long, but now my hair is short. So let's see how we're going to do this. So I'm going to remove this. So this is my hair, okay, short hair that I have. How many pieces in one? Let me count them. 1, I have 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6 pieces in one, okay, which means all together should be 12. That's much. I think we can work it out. I don't know how the front is going to look like, but we will see. We're going to see how the front will look like later. So you just do this, okay, pop this, pop it, voila, okay. I will measure back. So because I have short hair, I don't want to curl my hair. You can curl your hair to just clip this in, okay, but because I have short hair, I'm not going to curl my hair. I'm just going to leave my hair like that. So let me look for the shortest one. I'll start with this. You can cut it anyway. You can cut from it if you want to cut. If you feel it's too long, you can cut it, because see, it has, see here, you can cut from here or you cut from here. Anyhow, I'm just going to start from the back. This one has 3. Why some have 4? They are not this. It's the same. It's 3, 3. I was thinking some have 4. No, some have 4. Okay. Okay. They are not the same length. Like this one has 3, while this one is 4. So let me start with this one of 3. So I'll measure like this. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just fix it on my natural hair. It's tight. See that? This one is also 3, okay? I'm going to pull this the same way. So because my hair is short, I'm going to use gel, styling gel for it. So I'll divide my hair like this. It's very, very short, just to make it, use it to cover hair. I had to tie it down so that it can take shape, because my hair is so small. It's really, really short, my hair, but I'm trying my best to like make it work. Let's make it work. Let's make it work. Okay. Hey guys, hey, I did it. I did it. I'm so proud. Yeah, I did it. I'm really happy. Guys, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. It is clip in, okay? Clip in. It is clip in. My hair is short, but I was able to do it. I'm so happy. So I will leave the direct link on the description box. If you have long hair, if you have long hair, but you guys know my hair is short, I was able to just clip this in. I'm so happy. So the link will be on the description box, so if you're interested, check it out. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.